Hey guys, I wanted to share a tip I found out. I was playing around. I had bought some images off of Etsy, and they're pretty, real clear, crisp images. Admano Prints is, I believe, where I bought them from. But I put them on laser printer cardstock paper, and they're good, but I thought, real old-fashioned images actually have a little bit of a glossy image to them. So I decided to use DecoArt Triple Thick, and I used a silicone brush to apply that, and I just think that they really add the look that I was going for with the image. And on this one, I just added an extra little bit of, sparkle to it. But this is without, and this is with. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy.